All right, folks, we're here with our guest today, our 2013 Penobscot 14 St. Jacques. And we're going to talk a little bit about wood screws, in this case a Frearson head wood screw with the countersink on it that we're installing these little eye straps back here for a tiller clutch. Some of the things we've learned about these screws is these are made of bronze, so this head is pretty soft. You need to do a pilot hole of the proper size and the proper taper for this screw to have the best bite. We've written an article about that for a Small Boats Nation. So for this eye strap, we can't just chunk this in a drill and just drill it right in. We need to get a little pilot hole first. So what we do is we found the location, and I took the drill, and this is a bit made by Fuller. There's another article on that too, and it's a combination pilot bit and countersink. And once I had it in place, I made a little marker hole just like that, drilled it just a little bit, and then I could swivel this out of the way, and then I can come in and drill just a little bit more deeper. And you'll play around with your specific bit that you buy. There's more brands than Fuller, but we like them because the whole kit is sold through the Wooden Boat Store of number 6, number 8, number 10, number 12. They're adjustable. Everything happens at once. You don't have to have separate bits for piloting and countersinking. This eye strap off of a vintage Sunfish already has countersinking in it, so now we'll put that in there. So you need to drill a pilot hole. This is a number 8 screw, but I used a number 6 pilot. Sometimes every screw is different too. You might find that if you drilled a pilot and countersink for a number 8, and then you put a number 8 screw in there, you might have kind of a loose fit. And I just mean when it's being screwed in. That's probably gonna be what you need if you're drilling into hardwood. But this is some cypress back here, so it's kind of right on the borderline between a hardwood and a softwood. So if you make a pilot hole that's too big into softwood, it could pull right back out under load. So just play around a little bit on a scrap piece and go from there. To drive these screws, we like to use an impact driver because it's a kind of a high torque and there's a lot of impacts per second. There's an article on this, Small Boat Station, that get a nice firm grip on it, and it just kind of taps the screw in little by little. I'll get it started a little bit, and then when it starts to take up, you heard it kind of clutch there. That's when the impact portion of it's going to start. I can't do this one-handed, or else I'll probably just end up stripping out that head, and there'll be salty sailor words afterwards. So I'm going to put the camera down and finish putting that in. But you get the idea of putting in some screws into a wooden boat using a wood screw. We like these Frearson head. It's got the best bite there are, square drives and Phillips heads, and other probably even I think there's even a straight slot that you can get. And lately we've been purchasing them from Fair Winds Fasteners. That's pretty much that's what they specialize in, is bronze fasteners. You're getting a great deal on a big bag of screws from them, and been very impressed with the quality, customer service, and the shipping's been really fast. So we're going to finish putting this in, and you can find the article on the tiller clutch we're talking about, top secret, coming up in hopefully the August issue of Small Boats Nation. Thanks for tuning in. That about does it.